Home Show.
Mark from Kelseyville, California has some tankless trouble.
Well, it ain't heating like it used to, Tom. That's what he writes to us. John says, I have a new electric tankless water heater that's not heating. He says the water temperature is not hot enough. I turned up the temperature setting to 140, but still the water is not hot enough. I checked the voltage. It has 240 volts. I wonder if maybe it needs a new flow regulator. What do you think, Tom?
It could be obviously something wrong with the water heater if it's broken, and he says it's new in the question. So hopefully maybe it's even under warranty, and you could call the people who installed it if you do know that the people. But most importantly, if it has a brand of water heater, it could be a computer board on there like mine sometimes goes bad. I have a Cisco electric on-demand water heater, and when I have problems, I call them and they run me through the troubleshooting list. And and I think any other company will do the same thing. So I don't know anything about the brand. I don't know exactly what's going on. You have a problem. Get the brand, call the company, talk to their service department, and see if they can run you through and see if they can find something that might be wrong. And maybe if it's a new one, they'll send you the part. Or in some cases, believe it or not, they'll send you a whole new water heater because it's under warranty. So don't start monkeying with it. Find out from the manufacturer what could be wrong with it. It could be something very simple.
That's a good deal. I mean, I never thought of that. It could the thing could just be broken. So. All right.
Yeah, thanks, Charlie.
I'm like, yes, no, I'm just saying, is there a component you put in there or something in there? But, the whole thing could be bad.
Mine has just to give an example, I have a couple of electric ones. I've had them for years, and they have a computer board, and there's some little lights that come on, and the lights tell you what's wrong, flashing red, flashing green, and there's a couple little buttons you hit, little reset buttons like you do on maybe your computers and things. And so they run me through it, and they help me fix it. And I've never had to replace a part because it's just telling you something got unset, and you have to reset it.
Right. Well, that's why men buy things, because they have buttons and blinking lights. So.
Oh, they do have blinking lights on mine, yes.
And, of course, we show up here every day because Tom wants to answer questions, and you can send yours in to us over here. Click on that blue button at HomeShowRadio.com and fill out the Ask Tom question. You can send us videos and pictures and anything you think we need to figure out exactly what kind of help you need. And Tom will vend it free of charge, and we post a new one every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel.